Hey awesome humans, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Malia and I upload weekly lifestyle videos. I've been pretty inconsistent lately, but we're back. One thing you should know about me is I do not like being messy. I like to be clean and I like things to be neat and organized and planned out. I'm an Enneagram 6 and I like organization, and I don't know if you can tell from the background, but we've kind of reached a point of chaos. So today's video is just going to be a little clean my room, clean with me type of thing, and maybe I will even make another video soon decorating for fall, so stay tuned for that. And then another video I want to make soon is book recommendations, so stay tuned. If you have any video ideas, leave them in the comments, but let's just get cleaning. So just to show you guys the current state of my room, we got all these clothes that I need to put away. They're clean. Clothes on the floor from trying them on. Instruments, just mess, more mess, more mess. There's me. Yeah, you can just tell, and my bed is unmade. You can just tell how messy my room has gotten, and I do not like it. We do not stand. So let's put on some good music and start cleaning up. I think I'm gonna do maybe the clothes first because that usually gets rid of half of the mess, or maybe I'll make my bed first, we'll see. But yeah, let's go. Luckily, it didn't spill by some miracle, but like a heart attack and a half. Did I just flip you off? I totally did. Delete that. Okay, so after like half an hour of picking up and cleaning my room and putting stuff away, I'm finally done. So I'm going to show you guys what my room looks like now compared to what it was before. Look at how clean my desk is now compared to before. I got my instruments put away. This shelf isn't as crazy as it was. We don't have a giant laundry basket there anymore. We don't have clothes all over the floor. My book bag's organized. My little sink is all clean. The surface is cleaned off. The closet, we got all the clothes put away. And the bed has been made. Feels so good. I hope this video was able to provide you with some entertainment for a little bit or inspiration to clean your own room. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me, and I'll see you in the next one.